Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are back at Walmart and there's a new app that we are going to be using that I'm really excited about. I also looked up on my Ibotta and we have this Bloomin' bonus, which is $10 back when you do 30 offers. So I'm doing a couple offers for Ibotta today so we can start tracking towards that $10 bonus. So definitely check your account, see if you guys have it as well, and you can take advantage of some of these deals too. So now for the new app that I downloaded like yesterday, which I'm really excited about. I found out about it from Ohio Valley Couponer. He had posted it on his video, and I started watching his videos from that collaboration I did. He was one of the YouTube couponers, part of that collaboration. So hopefully you guys were able to see that, meet some new couponers, and subscribe to their channels as well. So it's called Swagbucks. Now, originally I had done Swagbucks online from when you print coupons from swagbucks.com and you redeem them, you get Swagbucks. But I had no idea that there was a Swagbucks app. So all the information to sign up for the app or get it downloaded is going to be in the description box for you. It is amazing, and there are like huge moneymaker deals. Like I'm talking $5, $10 moneymakers. So we have quite a few that we're going to do today. The entire haul is going to be worth about $80. Of course, fingers crossed if I can find the items that I need at my Walmart. And at the end, it's going to wind up being free and over a $10 moneymaker. Now with Swagbucks, I've been told you can transfer it to your PayPal. So it's just like Ibotta, it's actual cash back, which is amazing. We're also going to be using Saving Star and Fetch Rewards for one deal as well. And the coupons.com app. So some different rebate apps, they'll say you can't combine it with any other like paper coupons or anything like that. So the way around that would be coupons.com has an app as well that I've downloaded. And for Walmart, they do have redeemable coupons. So you would submit your receipt to coupons.com. I'll show you guys how to do that and explain it at the end as well. And then you'll get the money back as well from coupons.com. So we're going to be doing that for one deal as well. It's going to be a huge moneymaker deal, getting some Claritin, which is super expensive as it is, and it's going to be completely free today. So stay tuned for that. We have a ton of great great deals to go over. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. My channel is all about bringing you some great money-saving tips and different apps and such that you can use to get the best deals. So let's go inside and take advantage of all these deals. The first deal we are going to do again is on the Flits. They are $1.98. There is a coupon available, but I accidentally threw it out. Then on Ibotta, we are going to get back 75 cents, making this just $1.24. The next deal using that new Swagbucks app is going to be on People Magazine. So they are $5.99. I'm going to grab one of these. Then on Swagbucks, you're gonna get back 300 Swagbucks, which is the equivalent to $3. Then on Shopkick, when you scan it, you're gonna get 25 kicks, and when you buy it and submit the receipt, you'll get another 300 kicks, and every 250 kicks for Shopkick is $1, so that would be about $1.30. Final cost is gonna be about $1.60 or something, so not a bad deal for a magazine. Another Ibotta rebate is on limes. They are 28 cents each, so I'm going to pick up one of them. Ibotta is going to give us back 10 cents, making it just 18 cents. The next deal is on Luigi's Italian Ice. They are $2.87. There is a coupon, I believe, but I can't find it. We're going to then submit it to Saving Star. We're gonna get 75 cents back. Swagbucks, we're gonna get $1 back. And Ibotta, we're gonna get 75 cents back. So final cost is gonna be around 40 cents for this item, which is a great deal. These tasty cakes are $1.28. Want to get the chocolate swirls. Then we're going to submit to Ibotta again for 75 cents back. I've already done the Saving Star rebate. That is a limit of 1, so I can't do that one again. Then we are going to submit it to Swagbucks for an additional 55 cents back. So final cost for these is going to be, oh, I didn't do my math, let me see. Less than $1, not quite sure. All the details, of course, will be in the printable breakdown listed in the description box. If you have your Saving Star rebate still, then this would be a nice moneymaker and freebie for you. Another deal we're gonna grab is gonna be on Bob's Red Mill Oatmeal. They are $1.88. We are going to submit it to Ibotta for 75 cents back. Final cost is $1.13. For Memorial Day weekend, we're gonna stock up again on these wavy Pringles. So they are, if I can get this one out. Okay, they are $1.44. I've done this rebate a couple times. We are gonna get back 45 cents from Ibotta. So final cost would be just 99 cents, which is definitely a great deal. This is another great freebie, and it's actually going to be a small moneymaker. So these Honey Nut Roasted Chickpeas, it's a nice little snack. They are $3.12. Ibotta has $3.99 back. So that's gonna make this free and an 87-cent moneymaker. Okay, here's another amazing moneymaker using that Swagbucks app. So this Lemmy Shine dish detergent booster is $8.28. It has to be the 24-ounce bottle. Then you're gonna submit it to Swagbucks. You're gonna get 1,200 Swagbucks, which equal to $12. Final cost is gonna be free and a $3.74 moneymaker. Definitely a great deal. The next deal on Pace Salsa, there is a 50-cent printable from coupons.com that I forgot to bring. I'll just submit the receipt to coupons.com app, and Ibotta's gonna give us back 25 cents. The next two items we're gonna grab that are gonna be a big moneymaker is gonna be both of these. So it is gonna be a lot out of pocket, but we're gonna get the money right back, and we're gonna be using a couple different rebate apps, including Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, and Swagbucks. So you're gonna grab one of these. It has to be the Cool Mint 8 count, and then one of the 24 count of Cool Mint. So let's go over all of the apps we're gonna use, so stay with me. Okay, so I found a little bit of a quieter corner, so I wanna go over the full deal on these two now. So this one is $19.82, this one is $9.82. Swagbucks, you're gonna get back $18.25 when you buy both. Then you're gonna submit to coupons.com the app. You'll get $5 back for this one and $3 back for this one. That's another $8. Then on Fetch Rewards, you're gonna submit it, get back 2,500 points, which is the equivalent to $2.50. If you're not signed up on Fetch Rewards yet, here is my code, J24VT. This would be a great deal to get started on, a huge moneymaker already. Then you'll get an additional 2,750 points when you use that code and scan a receipt within 7 days. Then on Ibotta, we're gonna get back $4 for this one and $2 for this one. So total, it's going to be completely free and a $5.11 moneymaker. And these are really expensive products. This is totaling $30 and it's gonna be free plus a moneymaker. So definitely a great deal. I'm super excited about this one. Okay, now we're gonna pick up some Capri Sun. My boyfriend's daughter loves these, so it's not the best deal, but it is something that we will use, so that's why it'll be great for me to do. They are $2.22. We are gonna pick up one of these 10 packs here. They're $2.22. Ibotta is gonna give us back 20 cents. Final cost is $2.02. Another freebie with the Swagbucks app is this Real Simple. They are $9.99. You're gonna submit it to Swagbucks, get back 1,000 Swagbucks, which equals $10. Final cost for this magazine is gonna be completely free. So any great cookout for Memorial Day, you're gonna need some of these foil pans. You can either do the Reynolds brand or the Easy Foil. These are cheaper. The best deal would be to buy the ones that would be right here. They're $2.18. Those are gone, as you see. The rest of them are $3.34, which I think is still a little bit better bang for your buck. So I'm gonna grab two of these, or one of these here. It is a 2-pack. They are $3.34. Then we're gonna submit it to Ibotta, get back $1.50. Final cost is gonna be $1.84, so not a bad deal. The next seal we're gonna grab again is gonna be this Edge Shave Gel. It is $2.97. There's a dollar rebate from our previous insert. Then Ibotta is gonna give us back 75 cents as well. So final cost would be about $1.24. Seal we're gonna get is on this Polydent, the 40 tabs. It is $2.98. There is a dollar printable. If you go to polydent.com, click coupons at the top, you just enter in your information and you can print a $1 off coupon. I don't know where my coupon book went. I could have sworn I put it in my purse and I can't find it. So hopefully I can find it, but that would take off $1. You would pay $1.98, submit back to Ibotta for $1.50. So final cost is just 48 cents. Okay, so I had to look all over the store for this. It's $5.99. It's the In Style magazine. It was not located with the magazines. It's located on an end, like nook, where they have the checkout counters. So this is $5.99. You're gonna submit it to Swagbucks. You're gonna get $10 back, making this free and a $3.01 moneymaker. Okay, so we're back in from Walmart. There was a few things I couldn't find. The Dole fridge packs I couldn't find. The Zyrtec for kids, I was gonna grab that, but I forgot my coupons. I literally, like, I don't know where my coupon little binder thing went, and I just had it. It's probably on my kitchen table, which is super annoying. And the only thing that didn't scan for the Swagbucks that didn't work was the Keep It Real Simple magazine. That was $10. We would have got $10 back. That didn't work, so I do have to return that, but that was the only other item that I had an issue with. So I want to go over the final numbers. Total without that magazine that was $10 would have been $78.75 plus taxes. Ibotta got back $17.74. Swagbucks, I got back $48.86. Fetch Rewards, I got back 3,900 and something points, which is about $3.90. Saving Star, I got back 55 cents for the Tasty Cakes. Shopkick, I got back 600 kicks, which is about $2.30. And then coupons.com, I submitted for the $5 for the Claritin and the $3 for the Claritin, as well as the 50 cents for the Pace. So I got back $8.55 from coupons.com. So total final cost winds up being completely free and a $3.19 moneymaker. So I was hoping it would be a bigger moneymaker, but some of the other deals like the Zyrtec would have been an overage of about 53 cents, but I didn't have my coupon, and I checked on the app for coupons.com and they didn't have it available to submit your receipt to get the cash back that way. So wasn't able to do that deal. There was a few other that I can't think of, but and then that Dole fridge packs would have been free and another $1 moneymaker. And then that InStyle magazine, it showed online the single InStyle was only $5.99, which would have been a moneymaker, but the only one they had was that package, which didn't work anyway, so I do have to return that. But still an amazing, amazing haul, especially when you are getting over $30 worth of Claritin, and the whole thing winds up being free and a $3 moneymaker. If you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you guys drop a comment. Don't forget to go to Ohio Valley Couponer. He is the one that I got the idea to start looking up Swagbucks and download the app. So you definitely want to give him credit as well. Go follow his channel. He does amazing Ibotta hauls as well, Swagbuck hauls, you name it. He gets a ton of stuff. So if you give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, let me know again any questions or anything I can help you with. Swagbucks was really easy to submit it to. Same with coupons.com. Just download the app and then you click the store that you're gonna do, I believe. I just redeemed like 5 rebate apps. So you like click the store and then you add what rebates that you did, and then you take a picture of the receipt, and that is it. A lot of the apps take like 48 hours to let you know exactly how much you wound up getting back. Shopkick is that way. Swagbucks is that way as well. So really great haul. I'm super excited about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.